How's it going, guys? Jack O'Neill here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own custom thumbnail on just your iPhone. But before we get into this video, everyone make sure you subscribe to the channel, and let's get 1,000 likes on this video. All you're going to need for this video is the app Thumbnail Maker. You can get it free in the App Store, but there is a paid version that gets you to unlock more stuff, but you do not need that. So once you open up the app, it'll have all these options. You click Thumbnail Maker, the photo in the middle, and just pick a cool background. It's basic, but you can do whatever you want. If you'd like to add text, then do it here. You can change the font. My favorite one is that one. The color. You can size it how you want and move it around. Now, all of these here, to get the border on your video, there's two different ones. I prefer the rainbow one. This one you do need the paid version for. And you can arrows pointing. There's so many different arrows. You can add emojis like that. And if you want to add your own custom image, just click on here. Let's say I want to add this image to my thumbnail. If you want to cut anything out, you can erase it. So now you can size it to how you want. And as you can see, the one you erased, you can see through it. You want to change like the background of it. There's these different styles. Once you're done, you can just press next.